Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland and this is my studio. Today we're going to continue our practice of drawing volumes and forms, and we're going to put it into a simple rowboat. So hang in there, and I think you got this. It's not too complicated, but keep practicing and you'll see great results. Okay, see you in the studio. All right, first thing we're going to do is to draw the stern of our boat, the angled line, and then we're going to draw the sides and make them connect at the top. So this is like a really slanted triangle into our rowboat here. Let's get the sides slightly angled. And then we're going to slightly concave the back of our rowboat, making it parallel. So we have a really 3D almost triangle. Just redrawing some of my lines to get a feel for them. Looking for the inside edge. Now let's draw the bench in the middle. Now that bench is going to be parallel to the stern. I made a slight mistake in that I drew the inside corner there too dark, so I will have to erase that. Going over my lines, making some of them darker, starting to think about the thickness of things. There's the thickness of the bench in the middle. Thickness of this piece. I don't know what that is. I know it's in a lot of boats though, that front end there.
Whoa! Hey, if you're liking this video, make sure you subscribe right now below so I can keep making more. You got this.
All right, here I go. I'm going to erase this line here so the bench sticks out. I try not to use erasers too much, but they're there for mistakes. All right, let's kind of draw a post that's coming out of the water where our boat will be tied up to. So since my eye level is below the top, I'm going to make that turn away slightly, and I have a cord coming out and wrapping it around, following the surface of the post so it looks round. All those areas that are tied are curved. I'm going to add some concentric circles. Here's a sample of how I went back and colored the boat. And you could freeze it right now if you'd like, so you can keep this in front of you as you color yours. I used a variety of different water colors, 3 actually, a darker, a lighter, and a middle ground. And then of course my red of the boat, I have 3 as well, a middle, dark, and highlight. Okay, that covers our rowboat for the day. I hope you picked that up, and we'll see you later. Thanks, bye-bye.